This is unfortunately not one of those ultimate investment hacks to making you a millionaire by the end of the video. Sorry. However, if you have been looking for a simple step-by-step tutorial on how to actually open a cryptocurrency exchange account so you can start investing, then this is for you. The exchange used in the tutorial is my personal choice for beginners. They only provide major cryptocurrencies with excellent trade history, and the site layout is optimized for ease of use, offering simple order placement and quick fiat currency withdrawals. Now, before we continue, always remember this acronym: D, Y, O, R. Do your own research. Investing in crypto may result in the loss of capital.
%60 of the time, it works every time.
Dedicated to the generation that knows VHS tapes and clay stick fighting. I hope this helps. Let me know in the comments if I should continue with the second video, or simply like and subscribe. The idea is to compile how to content on all the basic features of the exchange: buying, selling, sending, receiving, and withdrawal to your bank. Then end with Web3 wallets and pre-sale investing. And remember, it's nice to be important, but it's more important to be nice.